Hi guys, how are you? Today I introduce for every guys on CPA marketing. Nowadays, CPA marketing is a modern trend of online earning source. So I try to understand and try to give my best on a premium CPA course. So you can get my each and every video on my channel, and I hopefully you must earn from online to make CPA marketing. Okay, uh, so I introduce you CPA marketing full course. I will provide CPA marketing all information. If you listen each and every video, you can take more and more knowledge in CPA marketing. So the next step, what is CPA marketing? You know that CPA marketing means cost per action or cost per acquisition. When a client click an offer link and submit email, zip code, coupon, pin code or install mobile app, that you can get an amount. That called CPA marketing. CPA marketing, you can take an offer link and promote different social media platforms and earn it. When you open a CPA marketplace account, then you can get a product offer, and we can make a smart link or single link. Then we promote this link different apps, social media such as Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, etc. etc. When you promote this link in this platform, you can get maximum uh, free client or free visitor, and they are also interested in the CPA marketing. Sorry, CPA offer like a gift card offer, game offer, mobile app offer, and you can success and you can earn from this source. Okay. Uh, so then module of CPA marketing. So I introduce what is the module of my CPA marketing. I have introduced two type of CPA marketing. Okay. I have introduced two types of CPA. Number one, CPA free marketing and CPA paid marketing. CPA free marketing means when you promote the CPA offer only free traffic source, only free traffic source, that called CPA free marketing. You promote different types of social media like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and you cannot pay any amount in this platform, and only you promote this offer link and you get earned in this platform. This called CPA free marketing. And CPA paid marketing, when you promote your offer or link paid campaign or PPC campaign or other native site push ad, etc. etc. In this case, you know that in this platform are always strict, always get paid money, and you promote this offer by money. This is the CPA paid marketing. Okay. Then module of CPA marketing, CPA free marketing. We have introduced 7 CPA free marketing platform, and I will get each and every platform a basic to advanced all criteria, basic to advanced all criteria, and all technique how to use successful and how to earn money from CPA marketplace. So, CPA free marketing introduce YouTube marketing, Facebook marketing, Instagram marketing, TikTok marketing, Pinterest marketing, Twitter marketing, and Tumblr marketing. If you listen each and every platform, and you can only one or two platform, you I have dedicated for you and every people to 7 platform, but you can work only one or two platform because you have no enough time in a day, but you are not enough able to different type of marketplace. Only one or two marketplace like Facebook, like YouTube. To marketplace, you work daily 4 to 8 hours. You can earn a handsome amount in online platform. Okay. Then I introduced the paid marketing. The paid marketing has included YouTube paid marketing. YouTube marketing, how to make a CPA video, and how to promote YouTube paid marketing, and how to promote ad, etc., and including CPA paid marketing. Uh, Second, Facebook ads or Meta ads. You know that Facebook is now number one traditional uh, mm, social media platform. So uh, we introduce how to promote offer on Facebook ads. Huh? Then Instagram and Facebook ad are same because Instagram platform has no another account to promote any ad. Instagram ad promote through Facebook page or Facebook Meta ad. Okay, and you know that Google ad, how to set up a Google ad, how to earn by Google ad, and how to earn a landing page, make a landing page, etc. Each and every basic to advanced all curriculum you know that in this course. Then native ad, MGID, push output dot etc. This is site. You can get basic to advanced all knowledge, all information, how to set up a campaign, how to run this campaign, how to set up budget, etc. A to Z are you learn in this course course module. Okay. Then Twitter ad nowadays day by day increase the Twitter visitor. Twitter is a best one of the platform to promote CPA offer. So in this course, you can get how to set up a Twitter ad account and how to run a Twitter ad and CPA offer. Finally, we introduce we around many different type of micro website, and in this website you can try a small. You can try to uh, campaign small campaign, then $10 or $20, and you earn from there some money. Okay. Okay, you know all of module in this course. So finally, we can get you can get each and every video step by step and complete the lesson. Finally, what benefit after complete your course? You can earn from online 500 to 5,000 every month. You trust that if you work every day 8 to 10 hours daily, you can earn more than 500 US dollar. In this is the whiter method, and you can earn easy. Okay. Uh, so today is this topic is final, and you most welcome to watching the video each and every part by part or section by section in my YouTube channel. Thank you.